So you're young, energetic, and you've got this incredible business idea bubbling inside of you. There's just one hitch. You're under 18. Now you might be wondering, can I, being a minor, form an LLC, a limited liability company to kickstart my business journey? Before we answer this important question, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can always receive information designed to make your new business as successful and profitable as can be. Let me tell you, your enthusiasm for wanting to form an LLC is not only admirable, but absolutely necessary in the entrepreneurial world. Now, onto your burning question. Generally, the law requires one to be at least 18 years old to enter into contracts and agreements, and that includes forming an LLC. However, the rules can vary a bit from state to state. Now, before you get disheartened, there is a way around it. You could consider partnering with an adult who can legally act as the owner on paper. It's a bit like having a co-pilot while you're learning to fly a plane. As you plan, I wanted to share a couple of stats to get you more pumped up. Did you know that about 20% of entrepreneurs who started businesses in 2019 were between the ages of 20 and 34? So, you see, starting young isn't all that uncommon. Also, here's a nugget of inspiration. In a recent survey, almost 54% of Generation Z, those are the folks born from the mid-90s to the early 2010s, said they aspire to become entrepreneurs. That's a lot of young people gearing up to be the next big business leaders, just like you. And guess what? You've got what it takes to join that vibrant wave of young entrepreneurs. Your age could actually be your superpower here. You bring fresh ideas, new perspectives, and a whole lot of digital savviness that the business world desperately needs right now. So, go ahead, dream big, plan meticulously, and don't let your age deter you from aiming for the stars. You're the future after all, and the future looks incredibly promising with young entrepreneurs like you on the horizon. For help forming your LLC, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our organization right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what's inspired you to potentially form an LLC? Leave your comment below and let us know about your dreams for the future. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your new business to maximum profitability.